Hello guys, today I will show you how you can set up your VTX Power in Betaflight. And a little feature I found, because when you put power on your drone and you're not flying, your VTX is getting at the most times very hot. So I found a little feature in Betaflight where you can set it up that your VTX stays cold when you're not flying. Yeah, let's start. First, connect your drone to your PC. Then go to CLI, write get VTX. Now you see my VTX power is already on 4. The default settings are at 1, and that means 25 milliwatts. In my case, at VTX Power 4, it's 600 milliwatt. And how you can change this, just type set VTX Power equals 4. That's it. Now you have to save it. Now get VTX. Now you see it's on power 4. In my case it was already, so yeah. But then you have the maximum power of your VTX, in my case 600 milliwatts as I told. And here a little feature that your VTX is don't getting too hot when you're standing still is this one. VTX low power disarm. You have 3 options: off, on, until first arm. Off is default, and you have always the max power you choose. In my case 600 milliwatts. If I turn it to on, I will have 25 milliwatts till I arm my quad. And I didn't use this because when you crash and you have to disarm your quad, you will get the 25 milliwatts, and maybe you need the picture to find your quad. So I used until first arm, and that means you connecting Lipo first to your drone, and then you have the 25 milliwatts VTX Power 1. And if you arm your quad, you get the full range. And after this, you disarm, you will also have the 600 milliwatts. Yeah, and you can change this with set VTX low power disarm equals until first arm equals, yeah, then enter, save. And that's it, guys. I hope I could help you. If so, I would be happy if you subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.